Welcome to our comprehensive YouTube video on what is the best way to stay healthy. In this in-depth guide, we will explore various strategies and habits that can help you achieve and maintain a healthy lifestyle. By implementing these practices, you can improve your overall well-being and enjoy a more fulfilling life. Nourish your body with a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is fundamental to good health. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Emphasize whole foods. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Portion control. Be mindful of your portion sizes to avoid overeating and maintain a healthy weight. 3. Limit processed foods. Minimize your intake of processed snacks, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support your body's functions and optimize your health. 5. Consider special dietary needs. If you have specific dietary restrictions or conditions, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. 6. Incorporate nutrient-dense superfoods. Integrate nutrient-packed foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds into your diet for added health benefits. 7. Plan and prepare meals ahead. Plan your meals in advance and prepare healthy options to avoid relying on unhealthy convenience foods. Consider the following suggestions. 1. Choose activities you enjoy. Find physical activities that you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, cycling, or playing a sport. 2. Set realistic goals. Set achievable exercise goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. 3. Mix it up. Incorporate a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to promote overall fitness. 4. Stay consistent. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. 5. Prioritize daily movement. In addition to structured workouts, incorporate movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking, or stretching breaks. 6. Find an exercise buddy. Partnering up with a friend or joining group classes can provide motivation and accountability in your fitness journey. 7. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's cues and adjust your exercise routine accordingly to prevent injuries and promote recovery. Prioritize quality sleep. Adequate sleep is often underestimated but plays a vital role in maintaining optimal health. Here's how to prioritize quality sleep. 1. Establish a bedtime routine. Create a relaxing routine that helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool to promote better sleep. 3. Limit electronic devices. Minimize exposure to screens before bedtime, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep patterns. 4. Practice good sleep hygiene. Avoid caffeine and stimulating activities close to bedtime, and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and conducive to restful sleep. 5. Seek professional help if needed. If you experience persistent sleep issues, consult with a healthcare professional to identify and address any underlying sleep disorders. 6. Practice stress management techniques. Reduce stress before bedtime through relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or gentle stretching. 7. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Maintain a regular sleep-wake routine, even on weekends, to help regulate your body's internal clock. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both your physical and mental well-being. Here's how to manage stress effectively. 1. Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporate deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine. 2. Engage in hobbies and activities. Find activities that bring you joy and help you unwind from daily stressors. 3. Prioritize self-care. Set aside time for self-care activities that rejuvenate and nourish your mind, body, and soul. 5. Practice time management. Establish a balance between work, personal life, and leisure activities to reduce stress and promote overall well-being. 6. Foster a positive mindset. Cultivate optimism, gratitude, and positive thinking to counteract the negative effects of stress. 7. Practice assertiveness and set boundaries. Learn to say no when necessary and communicate your needs effectively to reduce stressors in your life. Cultivate healthy relationships and social connections. Positive social connections contribute to overall well-being. Consider these suggestions. 1. Nurture meaningful relationships. Invest time and effort in maintaining strong connections with friends, family, and loved ones. 2. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek relationships with supportive and uplifting individuals who contribute positively to your life. 3. Engage in social activities. Participate in community events, join clubs or organizations, and seek opportunities to connect with others who share similar interests. 4. Volunteer or help others. Engaging in acts of kindness and giving back can foster a sense of purpose and fulfillment. 5. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in others and practice active listening skills to strengthen your relationships. 6. Set boundaries. Establish healthy boundaries in your relationships to maintain emotional well-being and avoid excessive stress or conflicts. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If you're struggling with relationship issues, consider seeking guidance from a counselor or therapist. Practice mindfulness and mental wellness. 8 o'clock. Taking care of your mental health is crucial for overall well-being. Consider these strategies. 1. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness techniques into your daily routine to stay present and reduce stress. 2. Seek professional help when needed. If you're experiencing mental health challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to a therapist or counselor. 3. Foster a positive mindset. Practice gratitude, positive affirmations, and self-compassion to cultivate a positive outlook on life. 4. Stimulate your mind. Engage in activities that challenge your intellect, such as reading, puzzles, or learning new skills. 5. Limit exposure to negative influences. Minimize exposure to negative news, social media, and toxic relationships that can affect your mental well-being. 6. Practice self-reflection. Take time for self-reflection and introspection to gain insights into your emotions, thoughts, and values. 7. Build a support network. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or support groups to provide encouragement and understanding. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle requires a holistic approach that encompasses proper nutrition, regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, strong social connections, and mental well-being. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and enjoy a more fulfilling life. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant long-term results. Here's to embracing a healthy and vibrant lifestyle.